Hey there, Columbia College or MJC student, and welcome to our class search and registration tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to search and register for classes at Columbia and MJC online. Let's get started. First, for Columbia, go to gocolumbia.edu. For MJC, go to mjc.edu. Near the top right corner of either college's homepage, click the Class Search button. Select the term you'd like to search and register for, such as Fall 2021 or Spring 2022. The subjects for your college will be displayed here. You can also search for a specific course number. For example, if you want to see sections of English 101, just select English from the list of subjects, then put the course number 101 in the course number box. For now though, let's look at all English sections. Down here you can filter for classes recommended by your counselor, and there are other search filters as well. Once you've selected your term, subject, and filters, click Submit. You should see this screen displaying the available class options based on your search. For each class, you can see whether it's open or waitlisted, start and end dates, the location of the class, meeting times, and number of available seats. For location, note that Canvas means it's an online class through the Canvas platform and does not have meeting times, while Zoom sections meet via Zoom during the assigned days and times. Classes that meet on campus will list the building and room number. Be sure to look at this important notes column, which may have useful information or recommendations for the class. In the textbooks column, you can click the Books link to see the required textbooks for the course and where you can buy them at the college bookstore. Or if you see this symbol, that means it's a no textbook course. Click on the section title to see more information on the course. For example, let's look at English 101. When you find the section you'd like to register for, click the section number here. To continue from here, you must be a student of the college with a student email address. Click Sign in the top right corner here. You will be prompted to log in with your student email and password. Your student email should be your first name followed by your W number, but without the W0 part at the beginning. Once you're logged in, you should now see an Add to Plan button next to the course you selected. Click Add to Plan. Click Add Section. Keep in mind that even after you click Add Section, you are not yet registered for the class. If you'd like to search for and add more classes, go back to the Search Results tab, then click Back to Class Search Criteria. Or if you've selected all the classes you want for this term, you can click Register and Drop Classes here to continue to the registration process. Or you can also click on the graduation cap in the sidebar here. Click Academics and select Register and Drop Classes from here. On this next page, you'll see that all of the classes you added are listed to the left here. On the right, you'll see a weekly schedule where all classes with meeting times are displayed, so you can see how everything fits on your schedule. Classes without meeting times are listed below down here. Keep in mind that it does not always default to the semester of choice, so make sure you're on the desired semester. You can use these arrows to move to the correct one. Click Register for each course you'd like to register for, or for waitlisted courses, click Waitlist to add yourself to the waitlist. Registered courses will be confirmed in green on your list and schedule. To drop a course, you can click Drop. For waitlisted courses, you will be sent an email with important instructions and deadlines on registering that section if and when a space in that class becomes available. Your permission will be required before you're registered, so be sure to check your email. If a space does not become available, you will need an authorization from the instructor once the semester is started. Contact the instructor and ask if they have space available in the section you're interested in. If they do, they will grant you authorization. Confirmations, prerequisites, or errors will pop up on the top right here. If you get an error or have any questions about these, please reach out to us. You can click Print here to print your schedule for future reference. Again, registered courses should be in green. Keep in mind that you have not yet registered for any courses that say planned in yellow. Don't forget to review your account summary and make a payment if necessary. Just select the menu, then Financial Information. From here, click Account Summary for more information, or Make a Payment to make a payment. To view your financial aid status, go back to your Connect Columbia or PiratesNet homepage and see the options under Financial Aid. If you have questions, you can call our Financial Aid Department directly. Financial aid documents may be submitted by email, fax, or mail. If you need help with registration or have questions, please contact us. Or if you'd like to concurrently register at both colleges, complete the Concurrent Enrollment form, which can be found on your college's website on the Student Forms page. And that's it! If you haven't already seen a counselor, be sure to schedule an appointment so you can get started on your educational plan.